Again, unexpectedly, here's a part 3, and let's have a little zoom in, shall we? Just before we go back to working on this, part 3. And hopefully I might have enough time to tell you about my Linktree and my shopping my Amazon link and stuff, because it's Christmas here. So I'm going to add another couple of the round flowers, and then I'm going to add some of the flowers that I intend on using a dipstick with. Maybe I ought to try that sooner than later. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to put some Plum Blossom down, because that's a beautiful color. Use it with some Indigo Violet. Deep Crimson actually is a gorgeous color and is plugged. No, I got it. Come on out. I'm wondering if I've got, yes, I've got Pink Diamond. Well, I would have if it were completely open. I have too many bottles that I haven't checked lately. So give me a moment. And this is very full. Oh, yeah, big thread on the inside. And a little tiny plug in the tip. How frustrating. I should have put a needle or something in there. Alright, I'm going to put a bunch of colors down here. So that's the, ooh, that's perfect. That's the Pink Diamond. I'm going to use some Orange Crush. I'm going to shake the Orange Crush up for a minute. Throw in a little bit of Tuscan Sun. And wish that the person who's talking to the animals in the other room would remember that I'm making a video. That is the Sour Lemon with the Orange Crush in it. Those are all Prizm pours. So here goes nothing. Let's grab that's pretty subtle. Probably I should have picked a different location. Let's see if I can get something lighter on that one side. Kind of thought I used to do this with shovels, and I like the way that looked. That's not bad. I'm going to put one of these yellow ones up further. Turn my stick around. Been thinking about this for a while. I just wasn't sure how it was going to work. Still not sure. Still learning. And if the paint's wet and I want to go back and add some other colors into these colors, I can do that too. Kind of like the spiky one with all the colors in it. Makes me want to go back, put some of the other colors in these. Why not? Kind of like that. If I wipe it off in between, I won't make green. I don't think. But I am glad it's a dry canvas underneath. So whatever I make that doesn't have a stem attached to it right now can definitely be something for tomorrow. I'm kind of liking that. I think I need one more flower up here, or a green stem or something. I think it's time for a spatula. And we'll just make it a bud. I'll try and fix it tomorrow so it doesn't look like it's one and the same with the flower that it's helping, that it's in front of. We'll put a bunch of buds in there. Got nothing to lose. And I've got that green and I can use my spatula with it too. I don't suppose it matters if some of them are subtle. So if you want to use a spatula, like this Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula that you can find on my Amazon link on the link tree underneath Show More under the video, just put it down a bunch of different times to extend the length of the mark. I think what I want is to grab some of this yellow, put it over here to make that flower stand out better. Whoop, and maybe some of the orange. Maybe a little bit right here too. I'm getting close. Don't think I mind how that looks. And I can definitely mix up my colors. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully I'm not blocking your vision all the whole way. Gotta remember not to drip. So that's pretty cool. I'm liking that. Let's call that good for now. And bring back a pan of green. Add a little ball underneath the flowers. I wonder if there's, I'm sure there's a name for that. I just have no idea what it is. I like putting leaves in. Definitely. Just making a stem for this flower here. It's probably very little important, of very little importance to be like literal. Sometimes I find out I'm just fussing too much. I like those marks over there. I like the change of the colors too. This is a great little tool. It doesn't look that much like my original, but it looks like enough like what it's supposed to so that it's not going to make me feel weird. No, she's saying that because she's feeling weird. No, don't worry about it, me. Yeah, I like the buttons underneath the trumpet-shaped flowers, and I like adding a leaf. And even though this is kind of fat over here, I kind of like it anyway. It'll blend in the eye. I think it's time to call it a day. Pop any bubbles I see. I'm seeing bubbles pop. Generally speaking, bubbles are not my first favorite thing, but the ones that appear the next day in something like a flower stem, definitely not my favorites. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm sure I could go through and add some tiny little flowers or more buds or something, but I don't think it really needs it. I'm going to throw this in the bucket and turn it around so you can see it and call it good, because I really do like it a lot. And I'm going to shimmer it at you because I didn't have time in the last one. Come on, there we go. Shimmer away. And I will be looking for bubbles like that and popping them. They're pretty surreal flowers. Kind of makes me want to put a little tiny, yeah, that worked. Well, sort of. Put a little center in that flower, doesn't bother me. And the background is gorgeous like stained glass, and the foreground is pretty beautiful too right now. But that is a bubble that has to go away. Hopefully I didn't ruin anything. Yeah, there's some really nice little patterns in the green. So I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for watching part 3. My email address is EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork when I have an opportunity because it helps support the studio the same way that people who join for $9.99 a month help support the studio and also get access to 60 videos for members only. Those of you who contribute through PayPal, and if you would like to, you can find the icon for PayPal donations on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. God bless you. Even if you don't believe in God, still. I love you all. You inspire the heck out of me. My Amazon link is on the link tree, along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery, Priscilla Batsell. You'll find tomorrow's video on my community board at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have over 2,700 videos, and I'm working on the 2,800 list. They're all organized by topic and genre, and if you look for them, you'll find them. But if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always ask me, because I have all of them saved by topic and genre and by the 100. Whatever I've forgotten is usually that I have spring clothing and Pixels.com and Fine Art America, Society 6, and Le Gallerist all create merchandise with my stuff on it, and they should be gorgeous. And ask me if I'm making a calendar, because I was working on it last time I knew. But we'll see. Alright, so whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video, and my paint pouring recipes are below the video. And I love you guys, and I'm going to let you go now. Bye for now. Priscilla out.